welcome back to Hasbro's Hide. DayAtTheRange.com has another awesome challenge for this fall, and it's the Pumpkin Challenge. Take a look at this target. This is tiny, and this is to be shot at 50 yards. He has 2 rows of pumpkins. He says these are 0.6. I didn't measure them. And then we dropped to 0.4, 0.3, and 0.2. And I'm telling you what, that's a tiny little dot. And at 50 yards, that's really a tiny little dot. This is a great fun challenge. Allows up to 5 siders here on your spotter target. And then you got to shoot this in, I think, 6.5 minutes or something, which is plenty of time for this. But what an awesome target. It's going to be a lot of fun. Now, unfortunately, due to life for me right now, having to take care of elderly parents and moving them from one city to another, I really haven't had a lot of free time. And that's why you've not seen me on the channel a lot recently. I'm trying to change that, but it's hard to get the free time right now. So my only chance is about 20 minutes before dusk tonight, or sunset. And so I'm going to be taking some lighting. We're going to flood the target with the cheapy lights that I have and see if we can shoot it more or less at dusk and past that as nightfall starts to happen. So we'll do that. Let's go to the range and we'll see how we do. I'm literally shooting at dark. It's really dark outside. The camera will make it seem lighter. We got a floodlight, small one, down on the target. We got our camera down there. We even got my wife give me a pumpkin, so we make everything cool. Let's see how it does. We're going to start with our 50, and we're going to have our 5 cider rounds, and we have 25 rounds. Now, if you've seen my video, these are the Anarchy Outdoors mag extensions. So I got 13 in one and 12 in the other, and it's perfect. So now I got 25 rounds and 2 mags. So let's see how we do warming up. No shots been fired, so we'll see how we do. Of course, our CZ457 factory rifle, except for it has a Timney trigger in it. All right, it's a little hard to tell, to be honest, down there, even with the light I have. Kind of dark. I think I'm hitting okay, but I guess we're going to find out here with our 50 ammunition run. So let's start our run with the top targets. Low and right. Crap, I don't want to miss on these. Low and left, I should say. A little better. That was close. I think we hit it. That one wasn't me. Oh, no! Nothing but harder on in. Okay. This may not be the best ever. In fact, it won't be. Lost that one. Yay! I mean, it's not going to be a winning target, but let's say we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 misses, I think. So that's a 19. The first time through, that's great, except now I'm out of our 50, so we'll try again. We switched over to SK rifle match. Well, we'll just keep running on that one and see how we do. First 5 with no fouling and no bore changes, so we'll see. I have to load my bags up. I didn't expect to keep shooting that well with this, so far we'll see. Problem is, I get down to the bottom part of that target, I'm probably going to shoot my camera. I didn't intend to shoot that bottom left target, just use it for fouling shots. We're going to see. All right, let's keep our run going now and we'll load it up. Boy, yeah, I'm gonna hit that camera. I probably can't continue on this one, but we'll see. If I have to, I can move the camera. All right, get in a hurry. Probably the best trigger squeeze of the day. That one's close to the camera. All right, last 10. These are going to get really close to that camera. One of them is going to be, yeah, I'm probably going to hurt something, but we'll see. Ooh, that one will be close. Now comes the one really close to the camera. Oh, I hope I just snuck it underneath there. It looks a little funny, like something happened, but we'll see. Last 5. That one jumped left. And high, these small ones are going to kill me. I don't know why it's changed all of a sudden, but it has. I felt good on my part. That's better. Sure hope I don't miss this one. That camera cord is right there. And I missed it. And I missed the cord. All right. First round of SK rifle match, taking a lot of chances. Let's see what we got. I think that one's a hit. So, hit. First 3 rows look clean. 4, 5. I think those are clean. 1, 2, 3. That could be a 22 with SK rifle match. So we're going to try it again in the upper right hand target or lower right hand target to see if we can repeat that. We're going to walk out here and check these out. You'll be able to tell for the time this is definitely 50 yards. These things are so small. All right, here we go. There's the last one. So it looks like hit, 10 hits, miss, 4 hits, hit, miss. That's 2 misses, 3 misses, 4 misses, and I think that last one to the right is a miss. So it's 5 misses, so that's a 20. Let's take over here and look at this. We have that one hit. So we hit the first 15. That one, I think I actually clipped the cable, but it hit it. You can see the bullet hole behind it. It hit it, but it tore the paper for some reason. And I had miss, and a miss. So that's a 22. Not too bad. And then here's the RW50. Those are both SK rifle match. Here's the RW50. So we had definitely a miss here, miss here. That's 3. 4 misses, 5 misses. 6 misses, 7 misses. Welcome back in from the range. Man, that's a fun target, but boy, was that dark. I don't know how, I haven't looked at the video of it yet. I'll process that in a little bit, but it was dark. And my light helped a lot, but what you really couldn't see real well was when you hit the target sometimes, because the hole is so dark compared to this with that kind of night time, or really right at past sunset lighting. So anyway, this is one target I used to warm up. I had a partial box. I had 30 rounds left of this R50 I used last time for this fly swatter challenge. And, you know, it's a warm-up target, whatever. 17, you know, I mean, it's not a bad score, but I think most of this was me. There was a couple of maybe that kind of fell out, but most of this, I believe, was me. So, fine, that was a warm-up target. Then I shot what I had intended to shoot for the evening. SK rifle match, because this gun is always shot really, really well. So this is what happened on that target. And if you look there, we hit, and this one hits cleanly. All these hit. So I hit the first 15 in a row, and then went 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This one was a real challenge. My camera was sitting like right in this space, just off to the center, but the cord running to an extra long battery to keep it from me having to change batteries all the time went right through here. And it was just, it's just a couple inches away because the camera was zoomed in fairly well. Maybe, I should say maybe 6 inches away. And it just clipped the edge of my camera cord. Not enough to damage it. The camera kept going because it would have shut off if it hadn't. But it caused the bullet to go sideways. You can see it hit here, but then the rest of the bullet actually went sideways. So that's fine. It was on target and it hit it, and that's good. But then we get down to that bottom little devil of a row of pumpkins, and I missed this one. This one I didn't think of me, but being straight left, it probably was. This one's similar, but it was a little vertical dispersion there. Hit, miss, and then hit. So whatever. Missed 3 out of this target, so I'm pretty happy with that for a factory CZ457 with just a trigger upgrade and relatively inexpensive ammo. Escape rifle match has been just an amazing thing in this CZ457. From the beginning when I tried it, reading on different forums, people were like, you got to try this, because I had gone through lots of different brands of ammo. I think the results are pretty good. It's not too bad. So what I decided to do was I still had just enough light to try one more. And so I went ahead and shot the same exact ammo and shot it again. And this time I got 20. So pretty good. Backed it up within 2, not too bad. And again, I just rode through the first 10. You hope you would hit all these bigger ones, right? Then I missed this one. I'm pretty confident that was me. And then boom, 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 boom. You can see it's consistently hitting pretty well the point of aim, but I'm hitting. I was actually aiming right at the base of that stem where it goes in there, knowing I was slightly low. And then, kept going, and then missed this one. I'm very confident that was me. This one I don't think was me. It was probably just, a little different velocity. It dropped down a little bit. I missed that one, and then barely clipped that one and missed this one. So not too bad. 20 backs up what we had here, I think, pretty well on the 22. And so this is the one we're going to turn in. And for now, anyway, if I can get more time between now and the 5th, I'm going to go shooting, and I'll have to shoot at night again, and we'll see how we do. But props to Elijah and DayAtTheRange.com. This thing is it's just another fun target. I really enjoyed it. If you can, check this out and give it a whirl and turn in your score.